Often considered the Soviets' answer to the Saturn V, the N-1 rocket was originally intended to be a launch of military space stations and for a Mars flyby. As the Cold War saw the race to the moon heat up between the Soviets and the Americans, plans were modified under the direction of Sergei Korolev. The N-1 rocket had to be altered so it could carry the lunar payload, a single cosmonaut lunar lander, and a two-cosmonaut lunar orbiter. The design program temporarily stopped due to the sudden death of Korolev in 1966, but soon continued thereafter. By 1967, a mock-up of the N1-3L was complete and on the launch pad. The N1 version had a greater thrust with 30 engines. Mastering the experimental test-based approach took time. Only 4 of the unmanned launches out of 12 were launched. None of the rockets tested lasted over 107 seconds. The N1-5L exploded soon after takeoff, July 3, 1969, destroying rocket and pad, and becoming one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history. A rare artifact of the Soviet half of the race to the moon. This very large official model of the N1-5L, designed to carry the Lunar Lander, was handcrafted by Energia Corporation. Composed of resin and metal, the rocket model stands 57 inches from top tip to bottom of thrusters, with an additional 5-inch base, 62 inches total, or just over 5 feet tall. Rocket measures about 13.5 inches at its widest point at the grid fins, and is a 1/72nd scale model. Other than a couple trivial paint chips near the grid fin bases, the model is essentially in immaculate condition. For additional information, call us at 1-800-782-0066 or log on to www.regency-superior.com.